So I think you're wondering about the last part of the vampire energy, which is looking at things at home that use energy that's being wasted. So we're going to use this link, Vampire Energy Calculator, to find things at home that we have. So we'll check them off the list. If we have more than one of them, we will indicate that on the website. And then here we want to find our top 3 items and record them in this chart. So let's open this up. So we have this Vampire Energy Calculator, and we're going to go through and mark off things that we have at home. So mobile charger. So I'm going to think I have my cell phone and I have my iPad. So I'm going to count 2 for me, and then my husband has a phone and my daughter has an iPad. So I'm going to say 4 at my house. Desktop computer and equipment, I don't have that at my house, but I have 2 laptops. So I'm going to check those off. So you're just marking what you have at home, and as you're doing that, it's telling you how much energy that's using by being plugged in and not being used, and also how much money that's costing you to have that plugged in and not being used. And as we're totaling or putting these in, we're seeing a total over here. So printer, I don't have a printer, but I have 1 DVR and 1 digital cable box. I have a CD player that my girls use, not this. We have a coffee machine. We have a DVD player. We have a microwave. So those are all the things I have. So I want to do 2 things. I want to go back through and look for the most energy use. So I have $3, $1, $2, $3.70. Here's a big one, $23, $14, $8. So I think those are my tops. I'm going to start here, $23. So on my Notability, maybe I can do this. On my Notability, I'm going to list those top 3 items. So my number 1 is digital cable box. And I have 1 of those, and it was $230 for energy per year and $23. Then this was my second one. And that was, I'm trying to remember what it was. A DVR, and I just had 1. So here I'm listing my top 3 items. So I just went through and I looked for the highest ones. And then down here, there we go. Now I want to put in that total. So I want to get my total over here. So on the website, I'm just going to do a screenshot so I can hold down the home button, the circle, and the power button. Get a quick snap. And then back on my Notability, add a photo from today. Add. And then up here, if I do crop, I can just cut out all that other stuff. Boom. So that's what info I need over there. And then the last thing, do I want to save my family $55 a year? Yeah, I do. What are some things at home that I could unplug? So I want to think about watching my chargers when they're at 100% and my DVR. Okay? So that's what we're doing for the last thing, finding 3 things that are high energy costs being wasted at home and what that total of everything is from the site.